Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video we will show you how to remove your TikTok account permanently. First of all, open TikTok app from your mobile phone and click profile option and click on three lines at top right and then click on settings and privacy option. Now click on account option. If you want to save all your TikTok data before deleting your account, then you have to click on download your data option. Here you can click on request data to download your data. Now go back and click on deactivate or delete account option. Here you can see the two options, deactivate account and delete account permanently. Now click on delete account permanently option. Here you have to choose any authentic reason to leaving TikTok. After choosing any given option, you have to click on continue option. Here you can see again request download option to download your data. Click on by continuing you reviewed your data request and wish to continue delete your account option and click continue. Click continue again. Now enter a 6-digit code which you have received on your mobile number. After this you have to click on delete account option. Again click delete option to confirm. Now you can see that your account has been deleted. You can reactivate your account within 30 days. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Thank you.